Hello everyone, good morning. I am Lavanya from Chhattisgarh. So today this video related to sentence making. So are you interested to learn sentence making and you really want to become a fluent speaker and you really want to learn spoken English? So please stick my video till the end because this video it's very helpful for beginner. Okay, so first I will give one example related to restaurant and another shopping. So without any further delay, I start this video and you really want to speak like a fluent speaker. So first you switch on the subtitle and listen very carefully and you keep one diary and whenever I give sentence related to restaurant and another shopping, so you jotted down your diary because it's helpful for you and then I also give example. Okay, so please listen to me carefully. So first I give one example related to restaurant. I would like a cup of coffee please. दिस सेंटेंस का मतलब होता है जब भी हम रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं तो फर्स्ट हमको ऑर्डर करना रहता है तो हम ये बोल सकते हैं आई वुड लाइक अ कप ऑफ कॉफी प्लीज एंड अनदर कैन आई सी द मेन्यू। जब भी हम किसी को मेन्यू के बारे में पूछते हैं तो फर्स्ट ये हमारा क्वेश्चन रहेगा कैन आई सी द मेन्यू एंड थर्ड रहेगा व्हाट डू यू रिकमेंड। मतलब ये हम बोलेंगे आप हमको क्या रिकमेंड कर सकते हो खाने पे। एंड फोर्थ रहेगा आई विल हैव द सेम एज हिम हर। मुझे वही खाना चाहिए जो बगल वाले ने खा रहा है। ओके, ये तो रहा हमारा रेस्टोरेंट का एंड अनदर शॉपिंग से रिलेटेड। ओके, सो डाइव इनटू द शॉपिंग क्वेश्चन। Okay, are you interested? So please stick my video till the end. How much does this cost? मतलब what? ये सूट ये टॉप कितने रुपए का है, ये क्वेश्चन हम कर सकते हैं। एंड सेकेंड थिंग, डू यू एक्सेप्ट क्रेडिट कार्ड्स? क्या आप क्रेडिट कार्ड एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हो? तो उसने बोला यस, तो हम क्रेडिट कार्ड उस टाइम अपन यूज कर सकते हैं। एंड थर्ड थिंग रहेगा कैन आई पे बाय कैश? जब हमारे पास कैश रहेगा तो हम कैश दे सकते हैं। ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन। एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन रहेगा आई वुड लाइक टू रिटर्न दिस आइटम। ये आइटम मैं रिटर्न करना चाहती हूँ। गॉट इट? ओके, सो लेट्स डाइव इनटू द another question. We make a plan. So how make a plan? Okay, so I will give another example also. Okay, month study plan. जब भी आप मंथ के लिए ज्वाइन करते हैं, लाइक आज से मैं इंग्लिश चालू करूंगा, कल से इंग्लिश चालू, सो फर्स्ट वी मेक अ प्लान हाउ टू लर्न इंग्लिश। Okay, so you really want to learn English? So, okay, so another रहेगा first vocabulary, second listening, third रहेगा watching and fourth रहेगा writing and last रहेगा speaking. So first I will give one example related to vocabulary. Learn at least 3 to 5 sentence. So how can I learn? This is your question. So don't be afraid. First I will give how to learn vocabulary. You really want to learn vocabulary? So first jotted down your diary. I will give one example. Every day we read what? Newspaper and another novels and another some book related to any book. So when you will read book and when you will read novel, so that times every day 1, 2, 3 vocabulary you write your diary and then whenever you will go what conversation, so that times you easily use your vocabulary. So this, so you easily gain lot of vocabulary day to day life, like day to day life, like related to any incidents. Okay, so whenever you think, so that times you also jot it down your diary, and then while we go for what conversation, so that times you use your vocabulary. So second, we dive into the second, listening. So what we will listen, this is your question and my question also. Okay, so I will give one example related to listening practice. You really want to listen more and more. So what kind of video? Okay, so first I give one example related to video. Suppose we are a beginner. So what we will read? Okay, so will listen simple podcast video related to cartoon, related to normal conversation, and related to English. Any English video like beginner video. Okay. So this video helpful for your listening. And another thing like watching. So what kind of series you want to watch? So what you want to watch? You want to watch related to puja part types, and another thing related to music, related to another like podcast, and you related to another like simple video. So any video whatever you want to, so every day at least 30 minutes 20 minutes every day you watch related that kind of story. First you listen simple story, don't jump higher level stories. Why? Because, and don't watch native speaker video. Why? Because you are a beginner. So first you immerse yourself and you push yourself. So first you watch simple video related to whatever you wants to. And another thing rahega writing, what we write. This is your question, what I will write and what I want to write. So this is your question, what you want to write. So you really want to write. So what you want to write? Okay, so first you think like now what are you doing? I am making video. So related that kind of word you daily basis write your डायरी. ओके, लाइक एवरी डे, लाइक आप एक दिन में आप क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं किए हो. सो फर्स्ट यू थिंक इन इंग्लिश एंड देन यू राइट योर डायरी. डेली बेसिस कन्वर्सेशन, लाइक आई वेंट टेम्पल एंड आई सॉ monkeys, that kind of whatever you want to, you have like mind whatever you want, you have any sentence, so please you write every day you write. And you don't want to write on diary, so what? So you can go, like when you will go and when you will talk your friends, so that times you talk in English and then that times you talk only, and then that times you talk in English and then you talk, and while you send a message, so that times you send only related to English sentence you said, like what are you doing, what we will do, are you interested to go for shopping, are you interested to go for market, yes I am interested to go for market. So that kind of every day you write and while you speak. And what another thing, you really want to become a fluent speaker, so first you follow one rule. First you follow one rule, it's speaking practice. Again and again you speak. Okay, you are making mistake, it's okay. You know, mistake part of our life, so don't be afraid. Every day you speak at least 30 minutes, 30, at least 1 hour, at least 20 minutes. Every day you speak more and more, more and more. Whatever you want to, you have your mind. So first you think and then you speak. Anything you speak related to your house and chores, and related to your friends, and related to another like office discussion, any another thing, and then that times record yourself, and then you listen what I talk and what I record myself. So that times first you listen very carefully, and then again and again you are listen, and again correct yourself, so you will definitely improve your spoken English. Because without practicing and without you doing without practicing, it's not possible to learn this language. So first you listen more and more, another watch, and another write, and another record yourself. And I will give another example. People said like we don't have any partner. So when I talk and what I talk, there are no any partner. So what I will do? That kind of question in your mind. So I also give another example related to there are number of apps. So first you go on your phone like Play Store, and then install what app? S Fluency app and Skype app and WhatsApp group also, and Hybro. There are number of apps, so you can go and talk co-learner. First you give your introduction. Every day you will give your introduction. Every day talk related to topic, any topic like school topic, and social media topic, and another like family topic, any topic, environment topic, related to any, and new like explore new things. You are a traveling person, so you talk travel related question and answer. So there are number of apps, you can go and find co-learner, and then whatever you want, so you talk and you enhance your body, and definitely you will definitely one day become a fluent speaker, and definitely you achieve your fluency. So every day at least 30 minutes, you make a plan. At least every day 30 minutes you make a plan, like every day I speak 30 minutes, and 10 minutes writing, and another 10 to 20 minutes watching. You give whole day at least 1 hour, and you will definitely drastic change in yourself. Because you will give definitely like 1 hour, so one day you will definitely changes in yourself, and you speak like a native speaker, and you speak like a very fluent.